Let's learn about elevation changes in hiking. A hiker starts at an elevation of 150 meters above sea level. They climb up another 200 meters and then descend 350 meters. What is their final elevation? So let's start from the beginning. A hiker has an elevation of 150 meters, right? So we're 150 meters from the beginning above sea level. They climb up another 200 meters. So we start at 150 meters. Then they climb up another 200 meters. So we add 200 meters to that. So at this point, they're at 150 plus 200, which is 350 meters above sea level. Then at that point, they descend 350 meters. So we take that 350 meters that we had, the hiker was at, we go down 350 meters, the same amount, and that gets us here, 350 minus 350 is 0 meters. And so what is their final elevation? 0 meters. They are at sea level. I hope you learned something here about elevation changes in hiking. And as always, thanks for watching.